So these are the quads. You're gonna wanna start, section number 1 is just about here. So just above the kneecap to the bottom of the middle of the thigh. Then you're gonna roll section 2, and then you're gonna roll section 3, okay? So the pattern remains the same for each section. You're gonna come down, put your other leg out to the side to support you like this, to make sure. So that's the position you're gonna be in. You're gonna roll section 1 up and down, like so. So it's just a couple of inches up and down. Then you're gonna kind of drag the muscle side to side. So it's kind of like a twist a few times. And then really important, you're gonna pull your foot up towards your bum like so. And then slowly back down. And slowly back down. So that's section 1 complete. You're gonna move to the middle of the thigh like that. So we repeat again, up and down a few inches, side to side. And then really important, bringing the foot up towards the bum while having that pressure on the foam roller. Just 2 to 3 times is fine. And then moving up to that top section, up and down a little bit, side to side, and bringing up the foot slowly and back down. So that's the rollout for the quad. It should take you a little bit of time. You can do it twice in a row on one leg. So start 1, 2, 3, and then start again at number 1, and then complete the other leg. So really take your time. It's going to be really painful, likely the first few times. After you do it regularly, it's not painful. I'm using a really firm one with the texture on it. This would be very, very painful if I was sore or really tight, but it goes down. You can see it's really easy for me. So cut that.